accepted the arguments made by the Indian investigative agencies, that is CBI and ED, that Nirav Modi has done something wrong. Court also said that Nirav Modi was not involved in any legitimate business, and the partner companies of Nirav Modi were just sham companies, shell companies. Also, one very important remark is that Nirav Modi was also conspiring with the bank officials since 2011 to 2017, and that is how letter of understandings were taken from Punjab National Bank, and we all know that 13,000 crore worth rupees scam took place in Punjab National Bank. And before just the FIR was lodged, Nirav Modi fled from the country. So these are clear indication that the court is satisfied with the evidence provided by the Indian investigative agencies, and any moment from now, court will be giving the final verdict that Nirav Modi will be extradited to India or not. As far as the signs for the Indian government, for the Indian investigative agencies are very positive. Court has made several remarks right from that Nirav Modi can be convicted in India. Nirav Modi was not involved in legitimate business. Nirav Modi was involved in money laundering. Court also said. So these are very important remarks, and the Indian investigative agencies, the officials whom I am speaking to, they are very hopeful that any moment from now, court will give a verdict that Nirav Modi can be extradited to India.